Good day, folks. Greg Judy, Green Pastures Farm. Today we've moved a little bit further than I was this morning. We're actually on Martha's Vineyard. We came from Rucker, Missouri, and flew over here, and I'm going to be doing a workshop here in about 20 minutes. And then we're doing pasture walks each day, but this is our venue for today. This is a beautiful barn. Man, they've done an excellent job, and I've got my PowerPoint presentation put up here on the front. And got a nice breeze coming through here and a pretty day, and I think it's going to be a pretty afternoon here on Martha's Vineyard. There's a lot of agriculture on Martha's Vineyard. We're going to be doing a pasture walks each day, visiting a couple different farms, and I'm really looking forward to it. I've never been here, but gosh, it's beautiful. We flew out just a while ago. We just landed about 30 minutes ago, and Martha's Vineyard is very concerned about keeping the farmers on farms. And so they don't allow anybody to come in here and do things half-assed and sell stuff they don't raise and stuff like that, and they're protecting them. The farmers actually are still out on the land, and there's land here that hasn't been taken over, but it's not all developed into houses. There's still farms here on Martha's Vineyard. They actually built this building for the farmers to hold their fair in. The local economy did. They want good food. The people are concerned about their food, and they want to know where it comes from. And so, I think we could take a clue from Martha's Vineyard. we need to keep track of our food, folks, where it comes from. It doesn't come out of the back of a grocery store. It comes from farmers. And the best food you can get is directly from the farmer on their farm. So, if you live in the city, the best way to do that is to purchase your food from somebody that's actually raising it out on the farm. I tell everybody, how's this all going to change? Well, the only way it's going to change is with the consumer and his food purchasing dollar. The consumers have got to get behind the local farmers. And that's the way it should be. We need more people on the land, not less. And small farmers, that'll build our community strong again. It'll bring business back to the country, and I think this is pretty cool. A place like Martha's Vineyard, there's billionaires that live on this island, but there's also a whole lot of farmers living on here, and I'm looking forward to it. Everyone have a great day, and this is Greg Judy signing off.